Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Bill, Competition Cars, and today I'm bringing you another really cool vehicle. This is a 1979 International Scout Midnight Star Edition. So those of you that are looking at this and know what this is, you know it's a very special vehicle. Now, what we have here, I believe to be a 78,000 mile original Scout that was restored to a very high standard. So let's walk around it and look at the vehicle in its entirety, and then we'll walk around slower and look for any flaws or imperfections, which I don't think there's going to be really anything. Definitely got that 70s look. We've had a lot of Scouts roll through here. This is by far the nicest one, the one with the most eye appeal, very appealing color combination. And again, the gentleman that restored it just didn't spare any expenses. I mean, you can look at it and tell. It's like going back to 79 and getting a brand new Scout. So Midnight Star, black and gold. So now let's walk around and look for any flaws. And you're not going to see any, because I don't think there are any. I mean, if you want to count this little, that's an old sticker that was actually on there. I could probably clean that up, not a big deal. Look at that laser straight body, beautiful graphics. Love the black and gold, love the gold wheels. Proper Goodyear Wranglers on there. Louvers down the side. Look at that. Obviously there's zero rust on this vehicle. If you're a serious Scout collector, you got to have this in your collection, guys. This is the one. You know, a lot of the Scouts I've been selling have been driver quality, needed this, needed that. This needs absolutely nothing. It's absolutely just stunning and restored, again, to a very, very high standard. Love the hood scoop. Really beautiful vehicle. Tons and tons of eye appeal. My son Christian did an undercarriage video. Undercarriage you could eat off of. We'll do the interior and engine bay next. So check it out, guys. There's a heck of a lot to love here. If you know anybody that's a Scout lover, share this with them, because they're going to want to know about this vehicle. Nicest one yet that I've had, guys. And we're expecting a good number. We're bringing it to sell, but we expect a good number. You can't imagine what it would cost to restore one to this level. So have a great day. Any questions, put them in the comment section, and bid away, guys. Take care.